Welcome to the Ask Patrick series. Today's question is, how do I prepare for the second and third attempt of the SNAP exam? So SNAP has three attempts. So one attempt is already gone, paper is gone. So we have a second and third attempt. So how do you prepare for the second and third attempt? A good way would be to go back to the attempts that I've done before. So if you're looking at the second attempt, look at the first attempt. If you're looking at the third attempt, look at the first and second attempt and look at the questions that have come in the paper. I'm not saying the same or similar questions will come in the exam, but it's good to have a fair idea of the difficult level. Again, a difficult level could change in the second and third slot. It's a different matter. But a good way to start with solving questions of SNAP is to look at the questions that have come before and try to look at how to solve those questions. Is there a better way to solve? Just in case a similar question comes on a similar topic, maybe it will help you to solve faster. Right? That's the first thing that you'll do. Secondly, you will write a few mocks. Now you have a fair idea as to what could be the difficult level. Again, I'm saying there could be a change, but you have a fair idea. So you could then maybe practice a few mocks in terms of how would you plan your paper. Plan your paper in terms of the way it was difficult in the first attempt. Also plan your paper based on if the scenario changes. Okay, say Kant becomes easy and logic becomes tougher or something else. What would you plan? But yes, the first plan would be based on the first slot paper. Okay, the first paper which came. How was the difficult level? What would you solve first? What would you solve later? How can you save time if the questions come that way? And so on and so forth. Okay, so have a proper strategy in place and plan in place. So if you can do these two things, that could definitely help you in the overall planning. First is looking at the questions that have come in the first slot and solving those and practicing those and similar type of questions. Second, having a plan. Third is keep practicing the questions, specifically logic type of questions that came in the first slot. Keep practicing those. Normally logic improves with practice. The more you practice, the better it is. So keep practicing and that should hopefully help you to build up speed and maybe improve your scores in your next attempts. Right? I hope this helps. Thank you.